Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Following Forward Financial. I just wanted to bring you a video today on Ford. I come across an article I thought was kind of interesting. Um, Feel free to help support the channel by grabbing some free stock by the links that I have in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Just a brand new channel. I believe we're up to 20 subscribers so far, so I'm happy with that. I started this a little over a week ago and didn't know how it was going to go, so I think it's going pretty well. So I'm looking to grow it and just kind of see where it takes us. So again, I wanted to talk to you about Ford. As you can see, I have a couple shares. I have a couple more, 50 or 60, I believe, in an IRA. I started it, trading it, and then of course it had the dividend. They're not paying right now, and the dividends are showing here about half of what it used to be. But anyway, I'm back in the green on Ford, as you can see here. I have 112 shares in this account, and average cost is $8.65. So not too off of what it's off today, but as you can see what it's done in the last year, it was a $10 stock at one time, and then the pandemic hit, so would have been a perfect time to have bought a bunch of shares then, so you'd have doubled your money and then some by then. But I did buy some. I'll just take you down here to my history. I was kind of looking at it earlier, and it did show a dividend as well. So as you can see, back in January, I was trying to buy it when it was under $9 there for a while, and as you can see, 880, 875. Let's go here to, like I said, I used to trade it. That's why a lot of these are canceled. Probably bid too low, but anyway, no big deal. But 826, 818. Let's see here. There, it started going down even before the pandemic a little bit. So then I tried to get it under $8. There's, I believe, the less dividend of $11.70. Here's about the pandemic time. 680, 640. I did remember getting a couple shares about 520. Looks about like the lowest price that I paid for it. So not too bad. A lot of people out there have owned Ford. Maybe they still do, I don't know, but it's a good American company. But anyway, just for the dividend, they used to have a decent dividend. I haven't heard when that's going to come back, but as of this time, it's not having a dividend. But anyway, this is the article that I wanted to bring to your attention today. I thought it was interesting. Unusual options activity in sight for Ford Motor Company. So I think they're looking kind of bearish on it for whatever reason. Maybe because it's Tesla Day. I'm not for sure. So Tesla was rather interesting today. Kind of did the opposite of what I thought it would do, and then raised a bunch of other stocks that I wasn't expecting. But anyway, that's for a video at a later time. But back to Ford. The shares experienced unusual options activity on Monday. The stock price moved down to $8.89. And as you can see, it looks like it's bearish. Taking some puts on 319.21 on an $8 strike. So looking for whatever reason for it to go down a little bit. I'm not for sure. So still researching it and kind of seeing what's going on with this one, but I'm just going to continue to hold it. Someday they will bring back the dividend. And again, it's been a fun one to trade. It's a fairly cheap stock to trade, but I was going to do the Mustang video, so I thought I would just incorporate that with the options, but that's just a beautiful car. That's the new Mustang. The Mustang Mach-E is what they call it. It's the electric sport utility vehicle. So the number 2 U.S. automaker unveiled the electric Mustang crossover on November 17th and began taking reservations with a refundable deposit of $500. So say what you want about Ford. I mean, they have this car coming out, and it's kind of interesting. There's 4 other versions of the Mach-E in addition to the first edition. One I was reading, it said it was even going to be all-wheel drive. I thought was kind of interesting. But as you can see, the first edition, which is going to sell for $60,000, said global production in the first 12 months of all versions of the Mach-E is limited to 50,000 vehicles. Back to what I was saying, say what you want about Ford, it's still a company that I'm going to hold. They have a lot of great products coming out with the Bronco. I'd still like to see a O.J. Simpson commercial incorporated with that. I think it would be kind of a fun one to see. But anyway, this is just kind of going over the year today on Ford, just another perspective on Yahoo Finance here. Not too many articles. Again, it's mostly Tesla. Here's just another view of what it's done over the past year. I believe last fall of 19, October or November-ish, it was around the $10 range. Don't quote me on that. I didn't look it up, but there's just a lot of good articles here still on Ford. Talking about a surge here. Some are still bearish on it as well as bullish. But like I said, they have a couple different products coming out. The Bronco, of course, the trucks sales are still up there, as well as the Mustang, which I can't wait to see that. That should be really interesting. Earnings, I think they're getting back to earnings. I even saw a video a while back of using a Ford warehouse in regards to, I think they were making masks at one time in regards to the CV for the pandemic. But anyway, just wanted to bring that video at you today with the unusual options activity. It might be one for you to watch if you want to make some plays with Ford. Do a put on some Ford, and I just thought I would end the video with the Ford Mustang Mach-E is 1,400 horsepower. One of a kind prototype, is just amazing if you haven't watched this, and I would suggest watching some of the other videos. It's quite amazing, but here we go. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I love when he takes off the look on his face. I'd probably have the same look on my face. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video about Ford. I might do a dive into the Bronco, Mustang, and I think they're bringing back the Explorer here later on. But anyway, I wanted to keep the video right about the 10-minute range. Anyway, if you have any Ford shares out there, leave a comment. Like I said earlier, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe if you haven't. There's a lot of views on my videos that people haven't subscribed yet. So again, I'm a growing channel, so go ahead and help me out. Grab some free stock on your way out, and we'll see you in the next video. I try to do at least one or two or more on a daily basis, and just get my channel to get some growth going here. So anyway, just bringing you a Ford video. Again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. You have a great day. Happy trading. Stay green. See you on the next one.